Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to delete a repository from GitHub account. If you want to delete your repository from your GitHub account, then you come to your repositories. You can get to the repository by clicking this button or by coming to your profile and selecting your repositories. Let's select the repositories. In this case, I'm going to select the repositories in my account. I'm going to wait a bit as I wait for the GitHub account to open the repositories, and it has opened those repositories. And here you come and select the repository that you want to delete from your GitHub account. If you know the name of your repository, you can simply type it here. I want to delete this one. In my case, I can simply type the name of the repository, and I'm here. I can get it. Or you can scroll down to get to your repository that you want to delete. But typing the name of the repository here is a bit simpler. As you can see, in my case, I'm able to get to this repository faster. So you click on the repository, you come to the top level menu, this one allowed here, and you select the one with the 3 dots. You select the settings. Within the settings, this is where you are going to access the button to allow you to delete the repository from your GitHub account. Then you need to scroll down to the danger zone. That is where you are going to find the button that you are going to use to delete the repository from your GitHub account. This is the data zone I'm talking about. Within this data zone, you can change the visibility of your repository if you decide to do so instead of deleting it. So you can change it to private if it is public. Alternatively, you can disable some branch protection rules. You can as well transfer the ownership of the repository, or at the same time, you can place your repository within the archives. In my case, I want to delete this repository completely from my GitHub account. So I will select the delete button. Upon selecting the delete button, the GitHub will prompt you with this message. And you will going to select, I want to delete this repository. Next, you are going to get this message, and you are supposed to indicate that you have read this statement, that once you delete it, you will not be able to access it. So I have read and understood the effects. So on clicking the button, the GitHub will prompt you with this message to indicate that you understand the consequences of what you are just about to do. In this case, you are supposed to type the name of the repository. In my case, the name of the repository that I wanted to delete from my GitHub account is this one. So I will type tetka3/cb. So upon typing the name of the repository, the delete button that was inactive will be activated, and you can now click on it. So I'm going to just click on it. Then I will enter the password for my GitHub account to confirm that I am the true owner of this GitHub account. So I am going to simply type the password here and confirm. And here it is. GitHub is going to provide you with this message to confirm that the repository has been deleted successfully. We can confirm it by typing the name of that repository here, and we cannot find it because we have deleted it permanently. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.